How would you like to learn a simple strategy that you can use in order to earn $5,000 per month online? Well, stay tuned because that's what we're going to talk about here today in this video. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So I want you to take a moment and think about that. Think about $5,000 per month, and how would that change your life? Would you be able to quit your job? Would you be able to pay off some debt? Would you be able to stop worrying about living paycheck to paycheck and whether it's a struggle to pay your bills and get food and groceries and gas in your car every single month? Would it free you up to maybe be able to take a vacation with your family or do something nice or something like that? And also, how would it feel for you? How would it feel when you actually accomplish that goal of making $5,000 per month online? In this video, I want to share with you the exact strategy that you can use to get to that $5,000 per month predictable, recurring, passive income. And I know what it's like to struggle financially. I know what it's like to not have money. I know what it's like to struggle to pay the bills and put gas in the car and things like that. And so this, for me, it's the same plan now that I'm following along with to build my business online. And I'm going to show you how to do it right here in this video. So here's the strategy. You're going to be promoting tools that entrepreneurs and business owners need to grow their business online. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Some people say you shouldn't be teaching people how to make money if you haven't made money. And this is a common thought, a common way of thinking, but I totally disagree with it. Back in the gold rush, way back when, the people who made the most money were the people who are selling, shovels and blue jeans and things like that to the gold diggers. So you're not really teaching people how to make money online. You're recommending tools that will assist them with doing that. So here's the strategy: is to promote a tool. It's called ClickFunnels. This tool is a software for building sales funnels online. And if you don't know what a sales funnel, it's something that every online entrepreneur needs, and not just online entrepreneurs, but it's also business owners who want to generate leads online can also use this tool and benefit from this tool. For example, a lawyer. A lawyer needs to generate leads in order to get more clients and make more money, right? So a lawyer can use a tool like ClickFunnels to build sales funnels online to collect leads and then to follow up with those leads in order to close more deals, get more clients. And so ClickFunnels, they have one of the best affiliate programs in the industry. It's one of the things with the affiliate program is that it's a recurring monthly commission where you can earn. On the basic level, there's a few different levels of the tool, of the software, but on the basic level, you can earn $38.80 every single month for each member that you sign up. So here's how this works for making $5,000 per month. If you sign up 129 people, let's round it out to 130 people, that's $5,044 per month recurring commission for signing people up to a tool that will help them grow their online business. Now, do you think that there's 100 people out there that you can find that would be interested in building a business online or generating leads online or growing their offline business online using a sales funnel? And I think the answer is yes. I think that if you don't think you can find that, I think you've probably got a mindset problem. You've got a mindset problem if you don't think you can find 130 people who would be interested in something like ClickFunnels. All right? So I'm just going to lay that out there. I know it might offend some people. That's okay. Feel free to comment below this video and let me know your frustrations. I'm happy to hear it and happy to respond back to you as well. But 130 people who want to build and grow a business online or generate leads online for the business they already have, I think it's just a matter of time of how long it takes you to find those people. Now, the other great thing about ClickFunnels, the affiliate program, is not only do they pay you for the members that you sign up, they pay for your dream car when you've referred at least 100 people to the program. So when you have 100 people actively using ClickFunnels under your link, your referral, your affiliate link, then they'll pay you $500 per month for your dream car. Okay, so now that we've covered that, now let's talk about how to actually find those people and get in front of those people to get those $130 signups. And by the way, using this strategy, I think it's completely possible to get way more than 130 people to sign up under you, as long as you're consistent and you're focused and you don't give up. That's the thing that most people give up. Most people, they maybe start something. A lot of times people won't even start because you're afraid that it won't work, and that you're not going to get the results. And I get it. I did that to myself. And this goes back to the mindset thing. You've got to work on your mindset if you want to build a sustainable business online. You've got to be willing to put in the effort, put in the consistent, focused effort towards reaching your goals. And if you do that, then you can succeed. So here's the exact plan that I'm using to promote this, and that you can use too. Is I'm doing, as you may have noticed, YouTube video marketing. I'm creating videos around entrepreneurship and how to make money online, how to grow a business online. I'm creating videos that are designed to give value to my target audience. And then from these videos, I'm leading you over to ClickFunnels. So for example, if you click down below this video, there's a link in the description that'll show you my top recommendation for becoming a super affiliate and making passive income online. That recommendation, that training, it'll teach you how to use ClickFunnels and how to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate. It'll have advanced training in there that you can use to get results. Not only that, but you'll also get this same exact sales funnel that I'm using, so that you don't have to worry about building the sales funnel. The sales funnel is done for you. All you have to do now is send traffic over to the sales funnel. There's people who are using this funnel who are getting signups every single day with it. So again, the goal for you just have to take and leverage the same sales funnel, just get traffic over to it. And so the plan for you to do that is for you to start a YouTube channel and start creating content around entrepreneurship and building a business online, just like I'm doing. And I really recommend that you launch your channel with at least a 90-day challenge. At least a 90-day challenge. Tell yourself that I'm going to go for at least 90 days without giving up, and I'm going to provide value to the audience. I'm going to share information about building a business online. I'm going to create content, videos that are good, that are valuable for that audience. Now, if you do this, I'm not going to promise you that you're going to get huge results at the end of those 90 days. But 90 days, it's laying the foundation for you. 90 days, you've started to build a habit and some skills around video marketing, and you've built a habit and you've proven to yourself that you can do it. Here's the problem that so many people face when it comes to growing a business online, and why so many people fail is because people are consumers rather than producers. It's content to consumers, I get it. Again, I did this. I did this for over 10 years of just consuming content, learning, studying. I bought courses. I signed up for free trainings. I went through videos. I went through forums and blogs and podcasts and all these different things trying to learn how to grow a business online. But the thing that I was missing was I wasn't taking that knowledge, that information that I was learning, and I wasn't applying it. And so many people get hung up over this. You want to learn and study and figure everything out before you get started. But the key is to just get started even if you're not ready. The key is to take imperfect action. The key is to shift from being a content consumer to make the shift into becoming a content producer. All of the people who've built big businesses online, everybody who's done it successfully, they've done it by becoming a content producer. So for you, make the shift, commit to at least 90 days of taking solid, consistent, focused action every single day of creating a video, or maybe not a video, maybe for you, it's going to be a blog post or something else. There's other ways, but definitely I recommend video because video is so powerful for building a connection with an audience. And YouTube is powerful for building that audience and getting in front of that audience. So definitely I recommend doing YouTube. I think it's the best way to do it. And just keep producing the content, keep producing the videos, and before long, you're going to find that it's easy to sign up 130 people to ClickFunnels. Like, you're going to have an audience they're going to know you, they're going to like you, they're going to trust you, and when you recommend ClickFunnels, it'll be an easy decision for them to sign up because you'll be able to show them how it can get them results. So again, if you want to use the same exact funnel that I'm using and you want the advanced training on how to implement this strategy that I'm talking about here today, go check out the link down below this video in the description. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.